Let me talk to you now about CRM and advanced data sciences and go through a case study. This is a case study from one of our clients called Relation Edge. They're a Salesforce certified SI partner with coast-to-coast coverage in the US, primarily helping companies design and deploy successful Salesforce solutions. Matt Stoico came to me over a year ago saying, "Cindy, our company is rapidly growing coast to coast. We're using Salesforce well for tracking all of our sales activities, but I'm very worried about how accurate our sales forecasts are to manage our cash flow and growth, but also communicate to the board that I'm confident that I can give an outlook, not just monthly, quarterly, but also annually, based on the growth patterns that we have. I've locked in my sales talent to fill in the information in Salesforce. We've modeled an effective sales gate methodology, but I'm still worried, and I still spend a lot of time drilling everybody. What do you think we can do?" We successfully connected to their Salesforce instance, trained all of the historical patterns because they had a fair bit of historical data, and he monitored us very closely before he did the conversion. We now have learned that, and these are his words, not mine, he says, "I independently validated the SalesChoice predictive results against what I thought forecast results would be. I was very pleased to discover that SalesChoice predicted our results above 90% accuracy over a 3-month time frame consistently. I now focus less time on forecasting reviews and spend far more time on situational coaching, getting out to see our clients and growing the business. I can speak in confidence to our board of advisors, our directors, regarding where we are at. SalesChoice has a compelling vision, and it's tightly integrated with Wave Analytics as well." We like to say at SalesChoice that we help our customers see more to win more. I did my doctorate in innovation and growth, and I'm very passionate that data sciences is going to help us unlock trillions in our global economy. The question is how fast are we all going to move? Here is a framework that we've built, really parallels the earlier framework that Rich introduced, just kind of expands some summary points. From the goal point we talked about earlier, there's obviously the motivation to change. Overlaying that, there has to be a case for action, reasoning to advance. Putting a structure around all the tools, and the variety of sources that you may have. Being sensitive to the ability of the culture and the competencies and where folks are at and how distributed that talent is. And obviously one of the most important point is the customer connection and understanding what pain point you're trying to solve. On the far right of this slide are some specific questions that you can glance at your leisure just to kind of give yourself a quick mini assessment on CRM maturity for data sciences. Things like, do you have a CRM, advanced data sciences, governance operating model? Are you bringing all your talent throughout the organization that understand advanced data sciences together to make informed strategic decisions on behalf of your company? What is the quality, Rich stressed this in his case, of your CRM data? It's not just the quality, it's also the completeness. We are finding in all of our accounts that we are currently involved in that the data quality and completeness is not at the highest standards. There are many pathways that can be locked in to actually improve it. One of it is making it mandatory, but also locking down the fields that have to be filled in to be compliant, and also connecting potentially compensation schemes so that people are not paid unless the quality is there. We are now into, I would call it, a period in business transformation where data actually can make or break a company's longer-term success. Is data sciences modeling embedded into your real-time systems? And are you securing the insights and actually starting to modify your behavior because of those insights? Are you experimenting with advanced approaches such as narrative storytelling? Rich stressed the importance of storytelling to mobilize a culture to action, to actually hear and listen and be able to internalize. We are hardwired as human beings to understand stories. We actually will probably do a future session on narrative storytelling because there's much to learn to get out into the industry. Are your sales increasing because of your win rates and top-line revenue goals as a result of using predictive analytics, for example? Are you shortening your sales cycles? Are you reducing customer churn as a result of predictive analytics? And most importantly, are you increasing your top-line revenue growth and customer satisfaction rates? So these are some of the questions, the probes that you can step back and reflect on to kind of give context on your data science readiness. We also have, a number of approaches, and I'm going to let Rich run through the services that we offer to give you a little bit more context, and then we're going to open up for questions and answers.
Thanks, Cindy. In summary, I think we've covered quite a bit of ground today, and in introducing the imperative to increase productivity rates, and particularly for the sales professionals, as Cindy was just talking about, and introducing the framework to help advance our customers become more data science ready. So covered a lot of ground in about 20 minutes there. As partners both provide insight and SalesChoice today, we combine our talents many times to offer a comprehensive solution to uncover the actionable insights and help our clients make better, faster decisions. And we have 5 easy ways that you can engage with us. We call them our high 5. So our high 5 of data science offerings includes offering health and risk assessments just to give a company an accurate picture of where their current state of data science readiness is. We use the framework I reviewed as a basis for discovery workshops to identify and prioritize projects. And that can lead right into number 3 here, the strategic planning and implementation solutions. So specing out all the details of the projects that are going to be taken on. We have advanced data science products for rapid solutioning, so both predictive and prescriptive analytics for sales teams, a propensity to purchase model for sales and marketing groups, and business intelligence products such as Wave Analytics. So we have both our proprietary offerings as well as the offerings from the marketplace that we know how to put together for the best practices to solve unique client problems. And finally, on number 5 here, we have the comprehensive team for outsourcing services, which are often required to get all the pieces put together. So that ranges from data scientists to analysts to data engineers to application engineers. And that mix and matching across these high 5 allows the flexibility and affordability to meet each of our clients' unique business needs. In addition, we also issue an annual global survey to track sales and marketing maturity levels and how they use data sciences for competitive advantage. So hopefully today's session's been helpful for you, and we can further explore possibilities to help your organization become more mature in data science approaches.